Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Afiqah, and we are going to explore Zalora. So if you don't know what Zalora is Asia's top online fashion store. From latest trends to essentials, Zalora has it all. You've got easy shopping, fast delivery, and a variety of selections you can choose from. There's shoes, there's makeup, there's clothes. When you think of Zalora, you think of convenience. It's got many things in one app. Moving forward, before I start talking a lot more, we will be unboxing parcels. Got like 2 of them. It's 6 right now and the lighting is going to be a bit darker. So let me start with the box. I don't have scissors. Amazing. Oh, I do. Now move on to the next. Moving on to the last. This is it for this parcel. Moving on. It's gotten darker, so I decided to just turn on the lights. So I'm sorry for the different lighting, but let's open this up. So this is the Pixie lip tint from Pixie, duh. It's called Adore. Let's try this on. I've been trying a lot of lipsticks, but it's just so hard to find the perfect one. Or maybe I'm just too lazy. I got this for 70 ringgit, if not mistaken. It's right here. It's very vibrant, the color. Red. It's not bad, you know. I love how there's no fragrance. Dried down. Wow. The color is amazing. Can you see that? Next, let's unbox this baddie. Did I mention this? I actually spent 500 ringgit on Zalora. Luckily, there was a lot of vouchers. So without the vouchers, it would probably go up to like 1,000. First off, we've got Crocs. They look huge. They're huge. I got the wrong size, didn't I? I got the wrong size. Oh my days. This is woman 10. But they look so cute. Sadly, I have to return these. But this was only 100 plus. Sales, you know, Zalora. Always hunt for vouchers. You see how big this is? Yeah, how am I gonna fit in that? We've got divots. It's a pineapple. So we got pineapple, we got watermelon, cherry, strawberry, lemon. I'm assuming this is lemon because what is this? My favorite is this one. Move on to the next package. Next one is this H&M hair cloth. I thought I needed it because mine broke. It was 11 ringgit. Very much useful. Straight to the point. Metal hair cloth. Banana here. Okay. Next is Aldo. Give you a bag, a pouch actually. I got gold ones because I'm a gold person. I don't vibe with silver. Gold is my color, my personality, you know. There you go. Super cheap as well. Let me put this on. Stop focusing on my face. Yeah. They look cute, or do they not? Be honest. So that's how they look. Moving on. So this is from H&M. It's a bit see-through. Let me try this on. That's how it looks like. Breathable. Yeah, that's the word. It's a size L. Moving on to the last parcel. Pants. This is also from H&M and it was on sales as well. So these are parachute trousers. The material is parachute. You can probably fly. These are the thingies tied in it if you want to like fly more. Let me try this on. Let me just go downstairs because my room is just not it. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, subscribe to Zalora for more content like this, because without Zalora, I would not have the opportunity to shop a lot like this. And if any of you guys are interested with the purchases I've made, I will link them down in the description box below and you guys can check it out. Comment down below which part you like the most. Comment down below which item you feel like you will buy. Did I influence you? Did I not? I'm not forcing you to, but you don't want to miss out, don't you? Description box below, there's links. Be a good person, you all.